Hi guys, my name is Fawad. I'm the HR manager at Healy Consultants Group. So today we'll be talking about the job loss insurance. I'm sure you guys are curious what this is all about. So we'll just walk through some highlights about the insurance plan. So this scheme was implemented in January 23 this year, and it was applicable to the mainland earlier. But now in May this month, we have heard an announcement that it has become mandatory for free zone employees also to register for this. Let me remind everyone, this is an employee obligation and this is not an employer obligation. However, employers can, if they would like to, acquire this for their employees, but it's not mandatory. So what this insurance is all about, basically this is, like the name suggests, involuntary loss of employment. So if you lose your job for reasons other than resignation or disciplinary action, you will be entitled to a cash benefit of up to 60% of your basic salary. And there are slabs here. So if your salary is less than 16,000, basic salary, we are talking about basic salary. If your basic salary is less than 16,000, you will be paying 5 dirhams per month or 60 dirhams annually, and you will get 60% of your basic salary as a cash benefit for 3 months in the event of a job loss. However, if your salary is above 16,000, you will be paying 10 dirhams per month or 120 dirhams annually, and again you will have 3 months entitlement. So there are some exemptions. This is for people who are investors or domestic helpers, temporary contract workers, juveniles under 18, retirees who are entitled to pension. It's not applicable to them. It's only applicable to UAE nationals in the government or private sectors and UAE residents. So the claim of the insurance can be made within 30 days of unemployment, and there is a capping here. So the capping for the first category, category A, is up to 10,000 dirhams, and for category B is 20,000 dirhams. If you don't, there are fines up to AED 400 dirhams for non-subscription and AED 200 dirhams for any missed premiums. And I hope that nobody has to go through a job loss. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos to come. If you would like to know more about business setups and HR advisory, I would definitely recommend subscribe to our channel.